Assalamu alaikum class 6. Today I will tell you about the complete description of the character Sherlock Holmes. You know that we have series of Sherlock Holmes in our syllabus and we have studied two chapters. First chapter is The Dancing Man and chapter 3 The Dying Detective. So let's start. These are the contents in this video. First is introduction. Second is physical appearance of Sherlock Holmes, personality and habits of Sherlock Holmes, Holmes' weapons, and the last one is Holmes' techniques or Holmes' method. Introduction. Sherlock Holmes is a fictional private detective created by British author Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. This is the author name Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, who imagined or created this character Sherlock Holmes. It is not a real character, it is a fictional private detective. It is a fictional character. In each story, he worked as a consulting detective, or you can say as a private investigator. He has British nationality. He was living in 221B Baker Street, London. He shared his room with his friend Dr. Watson. He was 60 years old. His brother name was Mycroft, who was 7 years older than him, and he worked as detective 23 years. You can see his picture here. Next is physical appearance. He was tall, over 6 feet. His face was narrow. He was actually very smart. His hair were black. He had grey eyes. He usually wear a tweed suit or frock coat and occasionally an ulster. Ulster means loose overcoat of rough cloth, typically with a belt at the back. In private, he wear a mouse-colored dressing gown, a purple one and sometimes a blue one. As you can see in these pictures, he is wearing a long coat. Next is personality and habits. Holmes has essentially an obsessive personality. He works compulsively on all his cases and his detective powers are phenomenal. He can get engulfed in periods of depression between cases and is known to take cocaine. होम्स जो है वो ड्रग्स वगैरह भी लेता था और काफ़ी डिप्रेशन में चला जाता था केसेस को सॉल्व करते हुए. बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंपल्सिवली वो अपने केसेस को सॉल्व करता था और उसकी पावर, डिडक्टिव पावर जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग थी हर केस को सॉल्व करते हुए. हैबिट ऑफ बाइटिंग हिज नेल्स व्हेन ही इज़ कंसर्न. जब वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सोचता था तो वो अपने नेल्स बाइट करता था. ही हैड अ हॉरर ऑफ डिस्ट्रॉइंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स. एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ द रूम वॉज टैग्ड विद बंडल्स ऑफ मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट. और उसका रूम जो है वो डॉक्यूमेंट से भरा हुआ होता था. नेक्स्ट इज होम्स बोथ यूज टोबैको, स्मोकिंग cigarettes, cigars and pipes. At times Holmes relaxes with music, either playing the violin. उसको म्यूज़िक का भी शौक था और वो म्यूज़िक अक्सर सुना करता था. Next is Holmes' weapons. Holmes and Watson carry pistols with them. Holmes uses a riding crop, cane as a weapon and also magnifying glass. Holmes skilled in the martial arts of single stick and sword fencing. उसको तलवार चलाना भी बहुत अच्छे से आता था और वो ज़्यादातर अपने साथ एक मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास और एक सिंगल स्टिक रखता था छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स को ऑब्जर्व करने के लिए. Next is Holmes' techniques or Holmes' method, or you can say how he worked on minor details to solve any case. First is familiar with all forms of secret writing, as we have studied in chapter 1 Dancing Men, that he knows secret writing, that's why he was able to find out the dancing men. The use of footprints, shoe prints, horseshoe prints, carriage wheel tracks and bicycle tracks to identify actions at a crime scene. The use of tobacco ashes and cigarette butts to identify criminals. The use of typewritten letters to expose a fraud. The deduction of murder from two pieces of human remains, the observation of gunpowder residue on victim, the observation of use of bullets from murder weapon from two crime scenes, the use of a fingerprint to free an innocent man. So all these are examples from its short stories that how he worked on minor details to solve any case. That's all for today. Thank you. After this video you can easily write 5 lines about this character. Allah Hafiz.